How to add stickers to a Discord server. Want to level up your server's expression game? Stickers are a fun way to bring personality to your chats, and today I will show you exactly how to add them. Let's dive in. First things first, open the Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser and log in if you haven't already. Once you are inside the Discord, open your Discord server. Make sure you are the server owner or have emojis and sticker permission. Click your server name at the top left corner, select server settings and click stickers in the left sidebar. Hit the upload sticker button to begin. You will need a PNG, APNG or LUTI file. Maximum file size of 512 KB, a unique name and description and an emoji tag. After uploading, click Save. Your sticker is now live and ready to use in chats. Extra information. Only level 1 boosted servers can upload custom stickers. Nitro users can use their stickers across different servers. You can upload up to 50 stickers at level 1, 30 at level 2 and 60 at level 3. And that's how you add stickers to your Discord server. Perfect for reactions, memes and fun moments. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.